got today?
Double IPA and an Oktoberfest.
I'll try the double.
Oktoberfest, we got double IPA.
Thank you. Double IPA from Fairfax Brewing Company. What's going on?
Brad really wants a shirt version of the
beer later, but that's a shirt. There's a hole in the back.
IPA, and a lager. This double is good. Looks like 2 IPAs here. Oh, Mountain Rambler Brewery. Let's see what's a hazy, a porter, and a lager, and an ale. Come back to it.
It's a big
Excuse me.
It's like city.
A seltzer and a hazy. Kiwi.
It's our collaboration with June Lake.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same beer, just the same. Just one
A
of
lager,
the graphics
pilsner,
on it. And then
pale
these are
ale,
others.
another IPA. Lake Arrowhead is here. So keep getting the wrong spot. IPA, pilsner, sour, and a lager. I'll come back for the sour. Looks like a Boozy Brothers. Boozy Brothers. IPA for sure. And a lager there. Oh, excuse me. Brewery X. A seltzer and a West Coast IPA.
That feels right.
Antelope Valley Brewery. Pale ale, cream ale. Sounds interesting. And there's a lager. What is that? Cider. Hard cider. Oh, excuse me. Shelter Distillery. My friends were there yesterday. Belgian wheat, a gold lager. Hazy IPA at 3 p.m. West Coast IPA. Ale. Beer and tacos. You support brewing company? Tarantula Hill. A hazy sour. The first roll is a West Coast IPA and something Sikh Champion. Can't read it.
And what can I get for you?
Oh, some ale. Casa Maria. And our wheat. Amber Lager. West Coast IPA and a hazy IPA.
They got a barrel aged. Like cans and bottles that's not important. He has like the bottles that he has behind the cans. He has like some barrel aged.
Huh? But it's not on that list.
It's like the one he's holding right now. You poured it for 50 years.
What is it? What you do?
It looked like barrel aged. It had like the thick brown top, like the foam.
I'll wait here. I'll ask what's in the bottle.
Yeah.
Got any fish?
No, well, they were chasing it.
What do you
A
have?
couple rock climbing.
What do you have there?
Amber.
Forgot already?
Here.
Yeah, sure. What's up? What's in that bottle?
I've got a few different things back here. Got sour brown with Cabernet grapes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This is a imperial stout with cherry and chocolate. This one is a barley wine with cocoa nibs, marshmallow, and cinnamon.
Nice.
This is a stout with coffee and peanut butter.
I'll start with that.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we've got a couple other barrel-aged saisons over there.
Thank you.
Let's try the other stout, the little cherry.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. You can see through it. I'm not gonna drink it. New Zealand Pale Ale, a Mexican style lager from Mammoth. I was there yesterday. I'll come back to it. I'm back for more awesomeness.
Right on, what can I get for you?
So the Imperial style. I think it's that one.
You tried the cherry one?
I tried that one.
That one? Okay, yeah. Then try the cherry, and then you probably want to try the black barley one next.
Yeah, that'll be the next round.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.